Hey, what up YouTube? This video is going to be on the unboxing of the MK270 wireless Bluetooth keyboard and mouse combo. This is going to be my setup. My TV is going to be basically my monitor. My phone is going to be the computer using Samsung DeX. And yeah, let's get to this unboxing. And yes, I'm doing this one-handed again. Still haven't purchased my tripod to hold my phone, but that will be coming soon. All right. Here's the back side. All right, what it says in the box: the keyboard comes with 2 batteries. The mouse and 1 battery. It comes with the little dongle and paperwork. What you need is Windows 10 or later, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Chrome OS, USB, internet connection, optional for software download. I'm going to try to use this with my phone. I'm either going to connect the dongle to my phone or to my TV and hopefully it works, or else I just wasted money. And I will be putting the link to this keyboard on the descriptions. And I can't remember the exact cost of this, but it was around $20 plus tax, shipping and handling. All right. Stab that thing. Yeah, there we go. Alright, finally. I'm gonna flip this over. Alright. There's a mouse, there's the keyboard. Let me get the mouse out first. Put it down there. This keyboard, alright, wrapped in plastic, all nice. Just try not to drop this. What else is in here? Some paperwork. Here's the batteries. Put that right there. This folds out. It's basically the instructions on it. Step 1, step 2, the mouse. Step 3, the keyboard. The little switch on the keyboard. And nothing else is in the box. Yep, nothing else in the box. Let's get this keyboard out. Actually, I'll grab some. Alright, sweet. One-handed. Oh, there's the paperwork. Alright, let's see. Nice tactile feed. Here's the on and off button right there. Alright, let's see the back side of the keyboard. Has the little stands right here. Sweet. Little rubber stoppers. What is this? Here's where you put in the batteries into it. I think that's for if water seeps in. It has an exit. Alright. That's with the little freaking the stands on it. So that the back side is a little bit raised. A little bit more ergonomic. Alright, let's get to the mouse. Alright, this mouse, Logitech, you see my hand is kind of big and the mouse is kind of small, but it's doable. Alright, yes, it is pretty small. I could just put it at the tip of my hand, it'll work. Sweet. Here's the sensor, the on and off button. Here's where you put the batteries. And you see that right there? The dongle's already inside the mouse. So let's see if it's a press on. No, I have to pull it out. Oh yeah, skills, one-handed. Alright. There's a dongle. Alright, let's put this back in. Right here. Ah. Come on. Let's put this inside. I got it. I got it. Alright, let's click this back in. I'll put it in the batteries later on. They all take AA batteries, the B ones, not the triples. And yeah. What I'm missing for my setup is a keyboard slider. Because there's no way. This setup is a little bit too tall. And it's going to be a little awkward trying to raise my hand up like this, type on it, and try to look at my TV. So what I'm gonna do is buy one of those clip-on keyboard sliders and connect it here underneath where this platform right here.